Shadow Night.
Don't just listen in, but hear. This beating life, this natural drum, is Earth's heart beating, ancient and wise. Our nature is a miracle, working consistently day and night, providing all that we need. And for every dis-ease, there is a remedy. For our doctor in nature has got the answer. She grows a cure, organic elements for our body, mind and soul. So feed it well, and taking a moment, no taking a few, pause and savour in this land and sea the wonderful from the animals roaming in the Serengeti, colour full from the trees, blowing free amongst the wind and the breeze. There's the vibrancy of the simple yet elegant daffodil, with its yellow so bold and so bright, reaching for the warmth and for the sun. Don't try and predict in nature. 1 minute sun shining on you, just before the heavens cry, soaking and revitalising the balance within nature. I see flowers in all spectrums, red, pink, orange, yellow, green and purple, all reflecting gateways and continue throughout, geometric spirals of nature's elements. So why do the birds cry, singing an unfamiliar song, harp in on about modified weather as man-made, stealing and abusing, experimenting with our doctor in nature, penetrating sacred soils with GM crops. Even the bees are revolting. You tell me, how many bees have you seen in the last 2 years? Bottom line, that's our food. This is our global war in. As we take in so much for granted, we're missing the fundamentals of nature and life, and that it is a gift of breathtaking nectar, providing a healthy organic option to be self-sufficient and vibrate at a natural frequency within your body, mind and soul. Like I said, pause. Taking a moment to be synchronistic. Take a walk in the scenic and submerge your soul. Appreciate and respecting our doctor in nature.
Hey.